My overall experience with FASTSIGNs has honestly just been easygoing and pain-free and seamless. Branding really is the identity of a business. It sets those expectations, and then FASTSIGNs helps us deliver those on property. Anytime I have a pain point, one of my favorite things is I call it FASTSIGNs, and our sales representative, John, immediately comes out on property. We're walking through the space, we're brainstorming, we're working together to come up with the best possible solution. Honestly, it just puts me at ease knowing that no matter what I ask of them, I know that we'll come with the best possible solution because they have unlimited possibilities.
FASTSIGNs was able to help Kalahari make their statement by really getting their vision through the design process and to a real-life application. Some of the things that we worked on with Kalahari were the bunk room design for all of their bunk rooms. We did all the elevator signage.
FASTSIGNs really helps us with our safety signage, our wayfinding signage across the resort, our visual enhancements. Honestly, the FASTSIGNs team is incredible. They know what they're doing. They have the experience. I know that when I bring them into a project, we're enhancing that guest experience overall.